See, they're washing right now the pork. They already actually washed it, but they're doing some cuts on it so that all the seasoning go inside the flavor goes into the meat. See? See that? See guys? I will go close to see. Look. And then they're cleaning here. That's from the head, big head, and that's the meat that they're cutting. Little by little, they're going to be cleaning it. In a little bit, I will show you guys what else they will do, okay? After the meat is clean and cut. See, this is the leaves. That is chaca. Chaca, they say it's a secret ingredient for a good cochinita pibil is the chaca. They wash a whole bunch of them, but I think they're going to use them. And then the leaf here, the banana leaf, they have to use the banana leaf to cover it so it has good taste. That gives it a good taste also together with the chaca leaf and the pork. And here they're squeezing the sour orange. See, there's a whole cup of sour orange here. This is beer, guys. This is beer, not sour orange, but that is the sour orange over there. And that's going to go for the seasoning of the meat. Seasoning of the meat. So now they're placing the meat into the big pot there, and the leaves are underneath, the chaca leaves, and then the banana leaves, and then the meat. All that meat is for tomorrow, guys. So guys, this is all these pieces over here. They have the spices. This is all the, you go to the market and you ask for how many pounds of meat you want, and then they give you more or less. This one is for 25 kilos, and they give her 2 of the chunks of the recado. It's already all mixed, and then half of an onion. And instead of water, see, and she's gonna drink beer. And then instead of water, you put the juice of the sour orange. This is the sour orange over there. And he's drooling. Primo, ya está. He's waiting.
Estoy concentrado.
Para que tú cocines el próximo año, ¿ah? And that's his wife, and this is the lady making it here. And then they're gonna put some salt. And he's in the back. He's putting the fire. See, he's lighting the fire, because this usually goes buried underground, but we're gonna be doing it on the fire because it's been raining, so they cannot do it underneath. So it still will have a good taste, I think. See, that's the fire over there. Fire heart. Okay. Wow. Anything to make the fire. And then they're blending it over there, all the spices. So now they're adding the recado into the meat. Y está colándolo, ¿ah?
Sí.
They have to
Para
sift
que no
it,
le quede nada.
que esté bien limpiecito.
Ajá.
So guys, now they already covered with the rest of the leaves, chaca,
Tú le echaste el
and the banana leaves and chaca is right there, and then they're going to cover it and go into the fire. ¿Cuánto tiempo va a estar en el fuego esto?
toda la noche.
It's going to be cooking all night. All night. See, covering it, and then they will have this heavy container on top, the cover. That's the cover over there. And there it goes. There it goes, guys. So this is the fire here, guys. And this is going to be all night. All night. Toda la noche va a estar prendido esto.
Se deja ya nomás con la candela calientita y ya.
Ah. So 25 kilos of meat here. It's gonna be all night. All night, all night. So we'll see what happens. I guess everybody will be drinking all night tonight so that they keep an eye on it. Because they have lots of beer still. See, there's still beer here.
Me la vas a dejar llorando con
¡Salud! ¡Salud!
Dinero y amor.
¡Salud!
Salud, salud.
¡Salud!
Ahí está la salud, salud. Everyone is saying cheers, cheers, cheers. I'm not drinking, guys, so I'm waiting for tomorrow.
Yo soy el cuidador de la flama.
So he says he's the fire here. Así si se quema es tu culpa. I'm saying if it burns, then it's his fault. ¿No es cierto? So guys, look, this is the... Sí, es cierto, tiene hormigas. This is the fire here, and look, ants are coming out of this piece of wood because it's dry wood, and the ants are just, well, since it's burning, the ants are trying to escape. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. This is something else. This food is for the big party tomorrow. It's my aunt's 70-year birthday. So tomorrow that we'll be celebrating here. So this is the cochinita over here, and this is gonna stay all night. All night is gonna be here. So you see the poor ants are coming out of this piece of wood here. Wow. Wow, poor things, guys. Look at that. Because they use dry wood, so they're trying to escape. This is so bad. Poor things. Poor things. I should save them. I don't know if they bite. Maybe they do. Wow, the fire is nice and hot. And everything boiling. 25 kilos of pork meat. And this is in Champotón, Campeche. So guys, we are still here. What happened is that the food is going to stay here overnight, but because of cats, wild cats, they come, and stray cats, they come and they mess with the food. So they wrap this wire around one side of the handle to the other side really tight. No lo vas a pasar abajo de la. So see, they put it right through there, so it's really tight, and the cat will not going to be able to open this. Never ever ever will they open this. Apart from being a little hot, I don't know if they'll be able to lift it, but they say no. So we're gonna check it out tomorrow morning and see if they mess with the pot or not. Cuidado, te quemas, primo.
Sí.
Uy,
Está
ay,
caliente,
ay. Sí, me imagino que sí, el vapor. Yo le pondría una piedra grande encima o un block. Yes. No. I told him that they should put a rock, and
Cuando vienen a veces se ponen.
he says that they move it.
La no se suelta porque luego por amarrarle eso no.
Ah, sí se soltó hace rato.
No, pero la guía de la cadena que tiene está gruesa.
So look at that, guys. This is
Ya le cambiamos.
a new thing. I've never thought of this,
Cada vez que lo jale de
but
la
it's
preta,
real. It is real.
igual el-
Y ahí ya no se mueve.
no se enrede y después el
Wow.
también lo rompió.
See, guys. So this is animal proof because eventually the heat will go up, you know, and the pot will cool up, and then the cats will come and mess with it, try to get the meat because it's
Porque si no, no va a haber
25
fiesta.
kilos of meat. So guys, remember, subscribe to the channel, give me a like, and please keep on watching. Thanks for joining, and this is Where Are You, Maria, in Champotón, Campeche.